Molweni namkelekile nonke kwazitshisa Bay Entertainment. Guys, the Daniels versus the Mayabas still continues, of course. I think seyenziwa ngabantu ke bako social media because ndiye ndajonga ke kuMaskhomo page lakhe ayikho enye into ayithethayo currently apart from the fact that ugqibele ukwenza eziya videos whereby ke number one ye warelease official statement echaza into yoba khona umntu omkopishayo i-content yakhe, the tone of incwadi is similar to that of hers. Ininzi ke into ebithethwa, but guys, if you did not watch the first video, ngicela nihambe niyobukela yona before uze kulena. So sizoqhubeka from where we left off izolo. Now khona ke abantu that were taking sides, khona ke abantu that are siding with uMaskhomo, then khona ke abantu abaninzi abaside ke noNozi bayachaza into ba the daily devotionals really are the same, even the way izinto abazibhala ngakhona it's similar. So why does uMaskhomo feel as though uNozi is stealing from her? One of the people ke guys obeside noNozi would be uSpeech Nzawumbi, I'm sure nonke niyamazi, and ebe kwekwa ke uMaskhomo the very first time ke ebemkweka uye wathi hey guys bendisithi nizokwenza iDaniel fast ke sana qha and so izityholo ze-plagiarism lol ke sana. Then he goes on to say ndinkedama ke mna bethuna andinamthetheleli ningandithuki ne-business zikatata zadliwa ningathi I am evil and dark. So obviously guys, I think that explains itself. He 100% feels as though, why would you say when you own the content of the daily devotionals? Why would you come forward to share that when like it's the same tone and everything? So anyone ongenza iDaniel fast, I mean iDaniel, for each and every person ozokwenza iDaniel fast kulo January, it's gonna be the same. We are eating carrots, some are eating apples, some are eating, but the content of iDaniel fasting is the same. So no one can come and say, Haibo, bhuti okanye sisi, and then ke ngoku why Daniel fast yakho izofana neyam, because it's literally the same. Khona ke nalapho ke expose khona. I remember watching a podcast apho uMaskhomo briefed us into ba how she and the husband met. You guys, into ba the husband was going through a divorce at the time, but andisayikhumbuli kakuhle, but indlela ke ewayibeka ngayo to the viewers is that the marriage was already broken down. It's not like yena wangena waba yi-side chick, but ke uSpeechisana uyafika ke apha uzomgiva even worse uthi guys, anisabaweli ukujola nomyeni womntu etshatile, si rebrande as Destiny and God's Will and Soulmates zobubhanxa. Meanwhile, umfazi who is traumatized simthumele kwi-mental institution like she was never there and capture her kids, act as a perfect family with her kids and mine, bag on social media relevance and public sympathy, and izenze bigger ngekwali wisdom ndibhanxe abantu, then later be reformed and publish a book and claim plagiarism because ndicinga ndingcono and the past has forgotten what I did just for vibes. Molweni bethuna ke phofu ndikiDaniel fast mandithule nisabaweli hayi wethu, I am literally just craving. So it ended in tears kanjalo ke, and I'm sure nani niyazibona some of the comments guys kuthiwa hayibo beningayazi into yoba uMrs Daniel wangena kanjani, why nizothukisa. So yeah guys, nazo indaba ze-horror. Do let me know your thoughts and ndizonibona shortly. Bye guys.